In 2026, bathrooms are no longer just functional wet rooms. The bathroom becomes a retreat, a wellness corner, a personal sanctuary where your day begins and ends with intention. Because of this shift, bathroom design is evolving faster than ever. And the difference between an outdated bathroom and a modern has never been more dramatic. So today, we are diving deep into the 10 bathroom trends that are completely out in 2026 and the 10 elevated, modern alternatives that are taking over homes, hotels, and even high-end Airbnbs. If you are planning a renovation or even just refreshing your space, these trends will absolutely change the way you design a bathroom. But first, I would really appreciate it if you could check one more time whether you subscribe or not on my channel. It will really help to grow my channel. So, after your subscription, let's dive in. Number 1. Out. Shiny chrome hardware. Chrome used to be the default. It was shiny, inexpensive, and available everywhere. But now, chrome feels dated. It's overly reflective. It shows fingerprints instantly. And it doesn't blend with the natural texture materials that define 2026 design. Chrome creates glare under warm lighting, clashes with stone tiles, and makes the bathroom feel more chaotic. In short, shine is out. As an alternative, in matte black, brush brass, and champagne gold. What is in is the completely opposite. Warm, matte, elegant finishes that bring the richness and sophistication into your bathroom. Matte black creates a clean architectural contrast that sharpens the entire space. Brush brass introduces warmth, character, and a sense of quiet luxury. Champagne gold adds a soft, contemporary glow without looking flashy or traditional. These finishes behave like jewelry, intentional and elevating everything around them. They blend seamlessly with the warm minimalist neutrals that are trending, and they instantly make the bathroom look custom and high-end. Number 2. Out. Heavy frame shower enclosures. Junky metal frame shower enclosures were once the norm, but in 2026 they feel heavy, dated, and visually sophisticating. The thick frames chop up the bathroom, break the flow, and make even the large spaces feel smaller than they are. They also rust, collect grime, and generally look tired no matter how clean you keep them. Unfortunately, they belong to an older era of bathroom design. As an alternative, in frameless walk-in showers with fluted or smoked glass. The modern bathrooms embraces openness. That's why frameless walk-in showers are now the gold standard. They create uninterrupted sightlines, allowing tiles, lightings, and textures to shine without being boxed in. The glass feels like it floats. The entire bathroom looks larger, calmer, and far more expensive. And for those who want even more style, fluted glass and smoked glass are two of the biggest 2026 upgrades. Fluted glass adds soft vertical texture and privacy while maintaining brightness. Smoked glass creates a moody, boutique hotel vibe that feels exclusive and luxurious. These walk-in showers turn your bathroom into a high-end spa experience, and with clean architecture and absolutely no visual noise. Number 3. Out. Mosaic tiles and busy patterns. Mosaic tiles had their moment. They added detail, color, and sense of craft. But in 2026, mosaics simply create clutter. The tiny pieces and endless grout lines add visual chaos and make your bathroom much noisy. And on top, they make bathrooms feel smaller, busier, and older than they actually are. And when your goal is calmness, busy patterns work completely against you. So, as an alternative, In. Large format tiles and seamless surfaces. Instead, bathrooms are embracing large format tiles and seamless surfaces. Tiles by 60 to 120, 80 to 160, or full wall slabs reduce growth lines dramatically, giving the space a clean, continuous flow. Your eyes relax instantly because there is nothing breaking the rhythm. Micro cement and plaster walls are also huge right now, creating fluid surfaces that wrap the bathroom in warmth and sophistication. These materials make the bathroom feel more open, more elegant, and more expansive. The spa aesthetic relies on simplicity, continuity, and visual calm. And these large surfaces deliver all of that effortlessly. Number 4. Out. Junky built-in vanities. Traditional built-in vanities were once considered practical, offering storage and stability. But today, they feel bulky, heavy, and outdated. They block slight lines, shrink the room visually, and often bring the bathroom back to an old and boxy feeling. A junky vanity absorbs light instead of reflecting it, and in a small bathroom, that makes a huge difference. As an alternative, in floating slim vanities with integrated sinks. In 2026, floating slim profile vanities take the lead. The moment the vanity lifts off the floor, the entire bathroom transforms. The floor tiles continue underneath, making the room feel larger and airier. Slim vanities feel elegant, refined, and modern, and they open up opportunities for creative lighting. Integrated sinks turn the countertop into one smooth, sculptural piece that eliminates visual clutter. And with LED underglow lighting, the vanity almost appears to float in the space. It's minimalist, luxurious, and incredibly practical. Everything a modern bathroom should be. Number 5. Out. Ornate framed mirrors. Ornate mirrors with heavy frames belongs another era. They disrupt the clean lines of a modern bathroom and introduce unnecessary details. They might work in a classical living room, but in a bathroom they feel cluttered and outdated. People no longer want decorative noise. They want simplicity with atmosphere. As an alternative, in backlit mirrors, full wall mirrors, and organic shapes. That's why backlit mirrors have become the new standard. They provide soft, shadow-free lighting that enhances both functionality and sophistication. They glow rather than glare. Full wall mirrors visually double the space, bringing in more light and making small bathrooms feel dramatically larger. Organic shaped mirrors add sculptural quality, breaking the rigid geometry of tiles and creating an artistic focal point. Modern mirrors are not just reflective surfaces, they are architectural elements that shape the entire ambience of the bathroom. Number 6. Out. Glossy, slippery floor tiles. Glossy tiles were once seen as elegant, but today they feel outdated and impractical. They reflect too much glare. They show every footprint and water drop. And worst of all, they are slippery when wet. A modern bathroom prioritizes comfort, safety, and atmosphere, and glossy tiles deliver none of these. As an alternative, in matte, textured, anti-slip surfaces. In contrast, matte, textured surfaces create warmth and depth. Stone look tiles, textured concrete finishes, and anti-slip porcelain bring a natural grounded feeling that enhances the spa experience. They hide marks, they age beautifully, and they feel calmer under warm LED lighting. Texture is the new luxury. In 2026, the bathrooms isn't about being shiny, it's about being serene. Number 7. Out. Squeezing a tub and shower into small spaces. Older design philosophies insisted that every home should have a bathtub for resale value. As a result, people squeezed small tubs and small showers into bathrooms that simply couldn't support both. The result was cramped, uncomfortable, awkward layout that felt neither luxurious nor practical. Modern design values intention as an alternative in one strong statement feature. In 2026, the trend is clear. Choose one beautiful feature instead of two tiny compromises. If your bathroom is small, use a spacious walk-in shower with a bench. LED niches and a rain hat elevate the entire space. The bathroom is large enough. A sculptural freestanding tub becomes a true centerpiece. When you give the room space to breathe, it instantly feels more modern, elegant, and luxurious. Number 8. Out. One harsh ceiling light. A single ceiling light creates a harsh shadows, uneven lighting, and a cold, lifeless atmosphere. It makes your bathroom feels like a doctor office rather than relaxing retreat. Lighting is one of the most powerful design tools, and in 2026 it becomes the defining element of a luxurious bathroom. As alternative in layered lighting with warm LED lines and sconces. Layered lighting transforms everything. LED lines inside shower niches highlights your products beautifully. Sconces on each side of the mirror provide balanced face lighting for mornings. Co-lighting softens the ceiling and adds a hotel-like ambience. Even low-level floor lighting makes nighttime visit peacefully and safe. When you combine three layers, the bathroom becomes an experience, warm and welcoming and visually rich. Number 9. Out. Open shelves full of visible clutter. Open shelves overflowing with bottles, towels, and toiletries instantly cheapen the bathroom. Clutter kills the luxurious vibe. Even the nicest tiles lose their impact when surrounded by visual mess. In 2026, simplicity and intention define design, and clutter has no place in that philosophy. As alternative, in hidden storage, recessed niches, and ultra clean surfaces. The modern bathroom hides everything. Recessed wall niches keep shower products accessible but invisible. Mirrored cabinets store daily essentials without interrupting the clean lines. Integrated vertical cabinets offer generous storage while maintaining a minimalist look. The bathroom feels calmer, more organized, and far more luxurious when surfaces are clean and uninterrupted. Quiet luxury is not about having more, it's about showing less. Number 10. Out. All white cold bathrooms. For almost a decade, all white bathrooms dominated Pinterest boards and Instagram feeds. Designers pushed the idea that white equals clean. So people covered entire bathrooms in white tiles, white walls, and white vanities. And while it photographed well, in real life it felt cold, flat, and clinical. More like a dental clinic than personal sanctuary. The biggest issue with all white bathrooms is how they completely flatten the room. There is no depth, no warmth, no dimension. The moment you turn on the lights, every shadow becomes harsh, every splash becomes visible, and every stain becomes a distraction. It's a stressful environment when it should be calming. As an alternative, in warm minimalist neutrals. In 2026, this sterile look is replaced by minimalist neutrals that instantly elevate the bathroom into a spa territory. Think beige microcement, sandy tones plaster, warm greige tiles, matte stone textures. These materials bring depth, softness, and grounded feeling that your morning routine desperately needs. Warm neutrals pair beautifully with modern hardware, black accent, and even soft bronze finishes. They give your bathroom personality without overwhelming it. And best of all, they age gracefully. A bathroom designed in warm neutrals today will still look modern and elegant 10 years from now because calmness never goes out of the style. So, as a conclusion, the 2026 bathroom mindset. Bathroom design in 2026 revolves around emotional comfort, visually calm, and functional luxury. The materials get warmer, the lighting gets softer, the surfaces becomes more seamless, the hardware becomes more elegant, and storage becomes smarter. The bathroom is no longer simply a place to wash. It's a personal wellness environment that adds real value to your daily life and real value to your home. If you update your bathroom using these trends, you are not just making it modern, you are future proofing it. You are turning it into a space that feels like a retreat. And most importantly, you are avoiding expensive mistakes that will take more time and more money from you. And if this helped you, hit subscribe and like button because it will help to motivate me and keep the channel grow. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one.